Photosynthesis. Let's get into this discussion of sunlight and transfer of energy. Photosynthesis.
Welcome, I got to Moose Science Crew. Today we will be going through photosynthesis with this tree. Alright, welcome to Inside the Lead. This is called stage 1, or also known as the electron transport chain. First we start at photosystem 2. Even though it's the first photosystem, this is called photosystem 2 because it was discovered second. First we begin as the light exciting the electrons. And this is also called the primary electron acceptor. The electrons get excited and move on to the electron carriers. This one, known as PQ, or also plastoquinone. Plastoquinone will bring it through to the next electron carrier, which is called plastocyanine, which is also known as PC. Then PC will bring it to the P1, or known as photosystem 1. And that's called photosystem 1 because it was discovered first, even though it's the second one. And the electron will stay there until it gets excited by light again and brought through the ferredoxin, or known as FD. It's another electron carrier. And this will just go through into the NADP reductase, which will create NADP. While all this is happening, a water molecule attaches itself to the photosystem 2 and separates, which means the two hydrogen ions that stay and oxygen will go up through the stroma and into the cell wall, and that's the oxygen we breathe today. That is called photolysis. Some hydrogen ions get stuck in the stroma, while others stay in the thylakoid to go all the way through the ATP synthase to create ATP. While the hydrogen ions that are in the stroma, some get sucked through the B6-F to go in the ATP synthase, while others stay in the stroma to connect with the NADP to create NADPH, where NADPH and ATP will go to the Calvin cycle.
The Calvin cycle, this is the light-independent reactions, which means it doesn't need light to occur. First, it starts out with RUBP, which is this molecule here. It's a 5-carbon molecule, and it ends up combining with carbon dioxide with the help of rubisco, which is an enzyme, which turns it into a 6-carbon molecule. And once this happens, with the help of ATP created in the light-dependent reactions, it splits into 2 molecules, each having 3 carbon. The second step is split, which I just mentioned. It splits into 2 independent molecules. And then the third step is leave. With the help of ATP and NADPH that was created before, it's turned into G3P, which is this molecule here, one of which goes straight back into the cycle. The other can be converted into any sugar that the plant needs for whatever process it needs to do with the energy. But the one that's left over, it's converted right back into RUBP with the help of ATP, and it goes straight back into the cycle to happen once again.
Let's get into this discussion of sunlight and transfer of energy. Photosynthesis.